Not every ride is meant for vlogging. Some are just for experiences.
हो ब्लॉग घालपा ना आराम से कळटा का
खरें म्हणलें जाल्यार म्हाका ते vlog देवन करपा नाका आसलो. But the way it ended reminded me of my childhood. So share करूया म्हळें. Here's a trailer.
Seriously, bro, why? Hey, bro, fist, absolute beauty. What the dude? Hey, potholes, potholes. Oh my god. Yes.
This ride was more of a bro to bro talk kind of things which don't really belong on the camera. But don't worry. Sogli ho bro, I'm a video galpana. I'll narrate the entire day to you guys as the ride goes on. And trust me, the end is really heartwarming.
Yes. काफी अनएक्सपेक्टेड लोकेशन है ये स्टार्ट करने के लिए. But yeah, let's begin with our ride.
चलो भाई.
So what is up YouTube? It's a new day, it's a new ride, and it's so sogli boriasemo. And it's yet another Sunday fun day ride, but only 3 people of us. Anyways, I'm headed towards the Margam KDC bus stand. From there, I'll be joined by Akash and Sarvesh boy Amgelo. And we can't say it as a early morning ride because it's almost 8 now. I'm late as usual, and Akash and Sarvesh will be waiting for me, probably judging me.
अरे सुधरो रे अभी तो.
आज तुम दिसत असेल this ride is going to be a normal one. But the drama started right at the signal.
Hello there.
Oh, it's raining, dude. Wrong day to rain. मुझे सगले mic system में नशे exposed.
ये तो लेटेस्ट न्यूज़ है.
What the fuck? It's raining, dude. It's raining. It shouldn't be raining today. कहाँ है ना raincoat भी? Wrong day to rain, bro. Wrong day to rain. Oh shit. Oh shit. I need to cover this. Seriously, bro. Why? Why, bro? Why? Chiri piri paus. एक आइटम से मरा के होता है.
बच गया साला.
See, असं झालं म्हाका लेट झालो. And do you really think these guys are going to leave me just like that?
Another armchair. Sorry, bro.
भाई मुझे माफ कर दो.
Sorry, bro. Good morning. अरे हाँ कित करो? ऐसा होने तेरे.
कराली बेइज्जती.
Let's wait for a while and set up our intercoms. By the way, guys, we have something new. The C50, and I have. Can see this? Okay, this is the C20.
Wow.
The main thing I forgot to show y'all. New helmet. That's from KYT. And भाई के पास बहुत पैसा है. कैसे आता है पता नहीं. किधर से छापता है पता नहीं.
अमीरों की स्कीम हाथ में लगी है.
After finally planning the route, जे आमगे अजूनपासून सारक जाऊ ना. कळटा तुका कितें आतां?
I'm not coming there.
We started with the ride.
Oof. The BM is roaring. And let's roll. Yeah, the power. Protect us as we go along. पतटा चन होता है हमी. बहुत कैसा मात्रे सान दौड़ियां चल.
वो जल गया क्या?
See, the rain is always playing tricks on us. ऐसा भिजोन गेलो समतो मस्ती बुरको. So let me tell you guys, we'll be testing out the C20 and the C50 Pro, and review on it will be coming in soon. Review besta dipa daina. We can't just give the reviews for these kind of things because it's your hard-earned money that you'll be putting in. So Akash has taken the 650 Pro and I have the C20. From the maximum level to the minimal level, how well they work. Let's see.
Remember when I told you guys there is some drama in our ride? And here's one of the moments.
तू पेट्रोल खाता? I'll also put. यहाँ गान कहता. हाँ कोकणी कहता रे कहता बरा तो का. मगा जाले ते जाऊ मजा गोडा चोपा. Music तू ही है करो पार्टी साथ मगा. ओए अरे भाई नुकसान हो गया भाई.
Finished.
Thank you to that lady. Okay. Okay. Oh, phone उड़ेला out यार. His phone is iPhone 10. मजबूत है भाई. He's using it without a cover as well. Sarvesh playing with his life. Mountain Dew moment.
Mountain Dew डर की माँ.
Done? Yeah. Thank you.
So our tanks were full, but the rain started playing its tricks on us. And after that moment, everything started feeling irritating.
It's just that one cloud which is there in the sky that we are scared of. We are headed towards the rain only, mare bro. Hello. How's hello? entire thing. I'll have to turn it off again. I hope it doesn't rain much. Oh boy. Okay, I'll have to turn this guy off.
बिल्कुल रिक्स नहीं लेने का
Hey, speed breaker, bro. Whoa. आकाश सांग ना मालगिरादा स्पीड ब्रेकर म्हणू तू बोट अरे वांदरा स्पीड ब्रेकर म्हणू हां हूँ तरी करू ए ते पॉटहोल्स पिन सांग रे मालगिरादा हे किते तू हात दाखय मरे तू हात दाखय ना आवट्या साइड लाईट बी कित काय म्हणा रे तू हात दाखय ना हँड सिग्नल्स वेर आर हँड सिग्नल्स ब्रो सो इंटरकम असू नसू ऑलवेज हँड सिग्नल्स
बच्चे मेरे बच्चे शांत हो जा मेरे बच्चे शांत हो जा
That morning I had left home on an empty stomach. आणि खाली पोटाचेर म्हाका एक काम करपा जायना. So the next mission was to search a tea stall.
Okay, we have reached Sangli now, and probably we are going to wait for a short breakfast because we are starving, and I didn't have anything before leaving from home. And Akash, please lead the way. What's here? Here we'll stay. Ingraya, okay. Cool. We're stopping here for a breakfast. Pit stop here. Okay.
15 minutes later.
Let's go. We're continuing our journey from Sangli now to Shred, Cholaghat. I don't know whether we'll be going somewhere else. I really don't know. Okay, so here we have reached the Keri checkpost, and wait, road bare nahi marega. So it is. What's the time, Akash? Can you help me? It's 9. Okay, it's 10 o'clock, and on the left side we have beautiful hills, green, dark green, light green. Every shades of green.
But at this point, we were really enjoying the Ghat roads. But as usual, in your life, it's really simple and easy now.
Oh my god. Don't tell me we'll be getting these kind of roads only. Please, Cholla, please. Don't spoil our day, please.
बंद करो हाथ जोड़ के मैं
The roads were so good before. Whoa. I just slipped.
मौत को छू के टक से वापस आ सकता हूँ
Naka Anil in Naka. The traffic is comparatively very less. Surprisingly. Oh, whoa. I was very near. Just when I said the traffic is less, there was a very close call there.
बाल बाल बच गया रे देवा
And just like that, we survived all these close calls. Gode mashe lucky aslo ami. But the views around us forced us to slow down and enjoy the beauty of this place.
Oosh. That spot is damn crazy. Mashe fadle nahi. Parking lights on. So good. Feels so good. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, let's get this views.
And speaking of the footage, I lost all my videos which were recorded that day on my phone. So, maafi magta, Shanti Jita.
Beauty re. Absolute beauty. Selfie kya re? Buddy. Take care. Where is the helmet, bro? Where is the helmet? Oh, look at this view now. Check this view. Bro fist. No, okay.
इग्नोर करो
Look at the view, dude. Look at this view. Oof. Ooh, there you go.
Now, if you think the ride ends here, then my friend, you're mistaken. Because we still hadn't reached the place where more drama was waiting for us.
Potholes, oh my god. What the fuck, dude? Hey! Let service lead. Okay, so we have decided to go to the Surla waterfalls now. Now service is leading the way. आणि खबर ना कितले चलपाक जाय तें कितले धांवपाक जाय तें आणि कितले बसपाकूय जाय तें बाबा आम फॉग मेटा हा मुखार देर आर क्लाउड्स you see they're getting the clouds dude yay a little bit of mist layer.
Just when we were trying to enjoy the view and the mist, the real villain showed up.
Potholes, oh my god. Okay, potholes.
ये भगवान क्या जुलुम है
Look at this fellow fully bouncing. So here the kaki आलो था.
जाऊ साहेबा आनी फोन कॉल मेळना आमकां. But that doesn't mean the rest of the journey was going to be as easy as you think.
And we have reached this pretty village. This way? Where do you have to go?
There's some kind of talk going on. A dead end? What to do? कित कोता मी? बाय करपा मेळना? चलोन वचपा मेळना? काय करायचं?
व्यू पॉइंट पूरा मरे
Oh, viewpoint pura. Viewpoint चोपा मेळा पूर्ण रे. This was something I wasn't really expecting. Because as we went further, the road started getting more challenging than ever. And with my worn out tires, things were really getting tense. Okay, seems like our ride is taking a very positive turn, but I'm not really sure about my tires. जो होगा देखा जाएगा.
Come on, take it easy.
And now the proper off-roading, dude. Ah, boy, mujhmai. Proper test for the Domina 400. It's going good, dude. Away. Wow, the journey is going so good. Oh, very near. That's very near. Akash is going to take his bike over there. Dude, hey! I'm not coming there. Should we take the risk? Should we take the risk?
भाई ने बोला करने का तो करने का.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Wow. This is Dongshan. I thought it was way too far, but you to see, it's quite near. And after that rough off-road stretch, we stopped for a bit. That's when something happened which stayed with me. Service come. Yes. Seeing those kids reminded me of when we were young. How we used to admire bikers as they were going through our village roads. And in that moment, it felt like the same feeling had come full circle. Unfortunately, a lot of footage from that moment got lost. But the experience was something which we won't forget. As a cloud passed by, we shared our thoughts, a promise to visit this place again. And with that said, stay tuned for the next motor vlog. Till then, peace out and Mogasu. काय बरं view न्हू गोंयचो नायस बोट येता बोट धाकटीशी